Panduit's new next-generation copper patch cord consolidates 4 Panduit product families into one offering. It's the smallest diameter Cat 6A 24 AWG patch cord on the market. Let's look at some of the next-generation patch cord's key benefits. The next-generation copper patch cord's 24 AWG cable is roughly as small as 26 AWG cable, while providing better performance and greater reach. The 24 AWG provides better PoE performance, along with better attenuation. Plus, 24 AWG patch cords support longer channels than the 26 AWG. For a given length of horizontal cable, the maximum allowable patch cord length is greater for the 24 AWG than the 26 AWG. The superior headroom warranty provides the highest margins above the industry standard and eliminates EMI for both electrical and alien crosstalk performance. Its flexible cable design makes cable installation and management easier in high-density applications. The center de-embedded plug performs in the center of the ANSI TIA mandated component range, ensuring interoperability and superior performance. The patch cord's integral pair manager reduces untwist at the plug. A patented tango-free latch prevents snags and provides easy release, saving time and providing reliability for frequent moves, adds, and changes. The next generation's identification feature displays the patch cord's performance level, length, and quality control number. This information allows traceability for future adds, moves, and changes. Finally, the next generation copper patch cord is offered in multiple colors and lengths for design flexibility, with a strain relief boot on each modular plug. For more information about this patch cord, click on the link below. And remember to check in with Panduit.com frequently for the latest company and product news.